How you doing? This is Peter Radson from College Planning Specialist. Wanted to share some information that was in the news today. House OK's overhaul of the student loan system. Okay, so what they're suggesting here is that there is this giant shift in the student loan system that is apparently going to affect you. And now here's the reality. Yes, there are some changes that were proposed by the House, that was passed by the House, that is now going to the Senate to overhaul or to change, modify, reform the federal-based loan system. Currently, many loans that are awarded to students are subsidized by the government and provided by private banks, and the government subsidizes those loans. Instead, what the government is proposing is that the government will be providing those loans directly to students, thereby cutting out the middleman or the banks who are providing those loans. And that is going to save the government some $40 billion. What the government plans to do is to increase the amount of Pell Grant assistance that is available to low-income families and, I say, moderate-income families. Typically, if you earn below $50,000 a year, you could qualify for a Pell Grant. What they've decided to do was, right now, the maximum Pell Grant is $5,350. And what they are proposing is to increase that amount a whopping $200 to $5,550. It's good money. In aggregate, it's $40 billion of an increase. But the individual grants that are going to be available to families amounts to $200. If you've taken a look at college costs lately, it is $18,000 on average to go to a state university here in Florida. We happen to have the least expensive state cost of attendance in the country. And it is $50,000 to go to a private school. So this Pell Grant increase is not going to make a whole bit of difference. The important thing to understand is that to get access for this money, you need to fill out a financial aid application, both the federal financial aid application or the FAFSA. And if you want access to private school funds, you need to fill out a CSS profile. The profile has no impact on your eligibility for Pell Grant money. So, you need to fill out your financial aid application starting in January for parents of 12th graders and those of parents who are already in college. If you want more information, you can take a look at the links on this page. We're going to keep you up to date on this issue as it goes to the Senate and if there are any changes that are going to occur in this legislation. Thanks a lot.